Hello everyone. Today we shall see how to use the play access of custom visual. You can get the custom visual in this get more visuals. Here I have added the play access, which is a dynamic slicer. What you can do is you could select it, and here you can see only one field which is required for it. Since the play access is with respect to the duration, I'll bring this order date to my field. As soon as you bring the order date, you could see that there is a play button and stop and buttons which you can access. And suppose if I play it, you can see that it is moving the data from 2015, 16 to 18 till 18. This is how the animation of play axis works. You could there are few settings where you could do the necessary changes. So for your convenience to view the difference, I have made this region sales, category subcategory sales, and city sales, city wise sales. So let us see how few of the formatting settings which could help in this visual. Okay, and here there are animation settings. Suppose that we want it to auto start, it will auto start. Suppose that if we want to keep it in loop, we can turn it on, it will be in loop. We can increase or decrease the time based upon the speed in which we want this loop to run. Okay, and these are the few animation settings. It will like keep on continuously running. What we can change the colors as well. If you click on show all, you can change the play but like colors of these buttons. Suppose that I want play button in dark blue color or some other color, you could like set the color of it. Okay, and similarly you could change the colors of it. I If I don't want colors, I could turn it on, it will remain black. Enable caption, you this is the caption actually. If you turn it on off, it won't show the years changing, but this loop will be continuing the like running on. So I want this enable caption to showcase. I could align it to left, center, and you could see I could align it to right. So this doesn't make much difference, but it is helpful in formatting. You could increase or decrease the size of this and this caption of here. So these are the few settings which are available for play access. I hope you have understood the play access, and thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.